Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Octaviano Hidayat. And in this presentation, I will discuss about meeting 3, namely meaning and readings, which includes lexeme, homonymy, polysemy, vagueness, and synonymy. First, it's meaning and readings. In this chapter, we'll study the ambiguity of words, that meaning level expression. The word's idea will be replaced by scientific term lexeme, and here we'll distinguish between two forms of ambiguity, homonymy and polysemy. Discuss about the reading of different sentences and words at the level of speech meaning resulting from the change in meaning. Several types of shift including metaphors and metonymies. And the next is lexeme. Lexeme is a language lexicon, a very large complex structure in the minds of language user. Lexeme is the basic material that form words. Richard Norquist, 2019, states that lexeme is a fundamental part of lexicon, vocabulary of language. After expressing a morphology process, a lexeme turns into a word. For example, you may find the meaning of a bird described as a furry animal with 2 wings and 2 legs, usually able to fly. Lexemes differ in their grammatical behavior and are therefore assigned to different grammatical categories such as verb, nouns, adjective, etc. Sometimes informal terms of word classes will be used instead grammatical categories. The grammatical categories specify how lexeme can be used in sentence. For example, nouns can be combined with adjective and while with article to form NP. NP in turn can be combined as adjective with verb to form a VP. The next is homonymy. Homonymy is the term for words with different meanings but the same pronunciation, homophone, and or spelling homograph. Homonyms have multiple dictionary entries. As a verb, a noun. The types of homonyms are homophones and homograph. Homophones are words with different meanings but the same pronunciation, while homographs are words with different meanings and pronunciation but the same spelling. Some examples of homonym are band, music band, and rubber band. Address, to address someone, and details of where somebody lives. And rock, to move backwards and forwards, and a stone. The next topic is polysemy. Polysemy is a linguistic term referring to the phenomenon where a single word or phrase has multiple related meanings. It derives from the Greek word poly meaning many and sema meaning sign. Polysemy is pervasive natural language and is an essential aspect of language richness and flexibility. For example, the word light can refer to physical source of illumination, a color shade, a state of healing behavior, or an aspect of being non-serious in nature. In each case, the word light retains common trait of meaning while being applicable in different contexts. And the next is vagueness. Vagueness is a state of being unclear or uncertain. The vagueness of your direction won't be very helpful to the lost pedestrian who's trying to find the closest subway station. If your parents ask what time you went to bed, you might say 9, and hope they don't question your vagueness. Here are some examples of vague words and phrases. People, stuff, problem, everybody, good, bad, nice, and great. And the next is synonymy. Synonymy, in the strict sense, also called total synonymy, includes all meaning variant for two polysemous lexeme, and it includes all meaning parts. Describe social and expressive meaning. Two lexeme may have one meaning variant common. For example, spectacles and glasses might both denote the same sort of object that people wear on their nose to look through, but glasses also just be plural of glass in one its other meanings. Similarly, the United States and America are used synonymously, but the latter may also be used for the whole continent consisting of North, Central, and South America. Okay, guys, that's all from me. Thank you for your listening. May also we have share be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.